Hey everyone, so before I get started with this video, I wanted to announce the winner of the Super Clean giveaway. That is Kevin Lancaster, and I'll be reaching out to you so that I can get your information and we can get this sent your way. So thanks to everyone that participated in the giveaway. And if you didn't win, there's gonna be more giveaways coming forward and coming soon. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any chances for that. How's it going everyone, and welcome to the channel. So today's the day I'm finally gonna start the teardown of the Duramax. It's been quite a few months. I've had a few setbacks, how to use it for work, but today is the day we finally get to start tearing it apart. So let's bring it in the garage and see what we can get done. So what's going to be happening with this truck is I'm going to be repainting the entire thing. There's just too many rock chips, too many dents all over the truck that it just makes sense to repaint it. I'm also going to be changing the color. So that means I've got to pull everything off of it. I've got to pull the mirrors off. I've got to pull all the molding off the inside. These need to go anyways down here. So it's going to be a lot of work of tearing it down, but I think it's all going to be worth it in the end. Just got the running boards off the truck and they're in pretty rough shape. I mean, they've been on the truck since it was new. Mounts are cracked on them. The body mounts were pretty rusted from water sitting on them. So I haven't decided yet if I'm going to run running boards on the truck or not. Definitely not going to be these ones. They're not going back on the truck. But let me know what you guys think. If I do run something, it's probably going to be black. I'm not sure that I want the electronic ones. Just another thing to deal with. Truck's not very tall, but it's a lot easier for the family to get in it with these on. So let me know what you guys think. All right, so it's the next day here, and I got quite a bit of stuff removed yesterday. Now I'm gonna move on to the rear end, and before I remove the bumper, it's actually got a bend to it, so I'm gonna try to straighten that out. I don't have a ton of faith in what I'm about to do, but I guess we'll see what happens. So just to give you a quick idea of what I'm talking about, over here you have the bumper gap, and then over on the passenger side, that gap's pretty much closed. It was hit quite a few years ago. And before I repaint everything, I want to make sure that it's not touching the body like it is right now. So I'm going to see if we can straighten it out. My plan, I think, has about a 5% chance of working. Probably a 20% chance of kinking the bumper like we've seen in a bunch of fail videos. And a 75% chance of doing nothing. surprisingly well. This side we just pulled back out. And here's the other side. Still a little bit bigger gap on this one, but I mean, no issues now. As you can see, it was rubbing the paint off in there. So I'm glad we did this before getting any further. So now we can get along and remove the rest of the stuff back here. All right, so in order for me to get the mirror off, I've got to take this whole door panel off. Hopefully we don't break too many clips, but I'm sure we'll break a few since the truck's a little bit older. Well, yeah, we'll see how it goes. All right, so let's have a quick look at the progress so far. Got most of the front end torn apart, got the trim pulled off, got these fake vents, whatever you want to call them, removed. Got all the side molding, the badges off, mirrors, interior door panels. And then coming around back, got the bumper off, tail lights, also debadged back here. And we ended up getting that bumper straightened out, which was a pretty big surprise to me too. All right, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. On the next one, I'm gonna be removing all the doors so I can start prepping the door jambs and the inside of the doors for paint, which also means I'm gonna be revealing the paint color here really soon. I've never seen it on a Silverado of this year before. It is a factory color, and I'm pretty excited. It's nothing crazy, but I'm excited to see how it's gonna look on this truck. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing the progress of how this truck comes along, and if it all turns out, to be honest, I don't even I don't know what the result's gonna look like at this point. I've never done anything like this, so you know, if this is new for you, it's also new for me. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing the rest of this restoration, make sure you're subscribed, and I'll hope to see you guys again soon.